I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify for your clothing brand. First, select a Shopify plan that fits your business size, perhaps the basic plan for $29 per month to start. Next, choose a theme that resonates with your brand style, ensuring it looks great on all devices. Finally, customize your store's appearance, including colors and fonts, to create a unique and memorable shopping experience for your customers. Now let's add your amazing clothing products. Upload clear, high-resolution images and write compelling descriptions that highlight unique features. Group similar items into collections like summer dresses or men's tees, making navigation simple. Don't forget to create variants for each product, offering options such as small, medium, and large sizes or various color choices, giving customers exactly what they want. To boost your brand sales, focus on effective marketing. Optimize your product descriptions and store content with relevant keywords to rank higher in search engines. Start an email marketing campaign to inform subscribers about new collections and exclusive offers. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, running targeted ads to reach potential customers who are most likely to love your unique clothing designs. Finally, let's cover essential operations. Set up clear shipping rates, offering options like standard or express delivery, and consider international shipping to expand your reach. Integrate trusted payment gateways such as Shopify Payments or PayPal, ensuring secure transactions for your customers. Regularly review your store's analytics to understand sales trends, customer behavior, and identify areas for growth, helping your brand thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.